Following segment is sponsored by Oakdell Egg Farms.
Welcome back. Time to head into the kitchen with Chef Bryan making one of my favorite sandwiches.
I love egg salad sandwiches.
These were probably one of the first things I learned how to make at home, because boiling eggs is really very easy. My mom is telling me it was one of the first that she ever used to make, also because get the kids involved, because it's easy to boil eggs and peel them. It's kind of fun, little treasures that you can put together. And of course, I'm using Oakdell eggs, which are of course cage-free, no antibiotics, no hormones, high in omega-3s, so very, very good choice. And I was so excited, you can buy them in Costco now in bulk, and in these big containers, about 2 dozen here. And I was so excited, I ran into a viewer there that says, oh, I'm buying these Oakdell eggs here because you said they were at Costco. So yeah, check out at Costco for them as well. So I'm starting off with a very traditional egg salad sandwich with some eggs in here. I have some dill relish in here as well, and my potato masher. I love getting the potato masher out to do these. Long ago, I used to just cut these up and do it, but then I figured out, why don't I just get the potato masher out and mash them all together, because that's exactly what you're doing here. Cut them up together, but it's so easy with the potato masher. As you can see, it's already mashed up. So very simple to do. Let's get some mayonnaise into here also. You can use a salad dressing in there if you want salad dressing, if you're not a mayonnaise fan. It's really up to you, however you'd like to do it. A little salt, a little bit of pepper, some yellow mustard's gonna go in there, get this mixed up. This is going to go then onto our sandwiches. But I do have a lot of fun ideas for using egg salad that's just not on a sandwich that I'll show you here in just a little bit when I come back. But let's get this all mixed together here. It'll be perfect, and I am using just a plain old-fashioned yellow mustard. You can use Dijon or whatever kind that you want to. It's just up to you. We're gonna get this all folded together. When we come back, I'll show you some other fun ideas that you can use egg salad with, as well as just a yummy potato salad with eggs in it when we come back.
I love it. As a kid, when we'd go up skiing for the day, we'd always take egg salad sandwiches.
Yeah, we would too. Yeah. Cool.
Delicious.
Okay, yeah, thanks a lot, Chef Bryan.
That egg salad.
I am doing all kinds of things. So I have the potatoes in here. I have some more hard-boiled eggs in here, as well as ranch dressing and garlic powder, all sorts of flavorings. I've linked my potato salad recipe with this recipe as well, so you can just click on it and it'll go right to it. So potato salad is one of those things that I think are so delicious with eggs. A lot of people call it potato salad, but really is also another type of egg salad. But I like them like this. So I'm just gonna mix those together. There we go. So now that's ready to go. So here's another way that you can do. I think eggs are so versatile. I'm going to serve that potato salad with my egg salad sandwich there. And then I was going to show you another way to do it here. Here's one of the hard-boiled eggs that I've actually cut in half. I'm going to take some salami and a slice of tomato on top of it, with a slice of cheese to put on top of it. And then I'm going to just top that off and use the egg as I would, like, say, a roll or something like that. Stick it through with a toothpick so it holds together. And there we have kind of a fun little egg salad sandwich, or an egg sandwich, I guess you could say, which I think is really fun. And then these have to be some of my favorites here. I love just using a buttery style cracker, putting some egg salad on top of them. I think this is one of the most yummiest things, and I would sit and eat this entire bowl of egg salad with crackers just like this. I just think it's really yummy. Let's slide those over so that we can do that there. And of course, these are the Oakdell eggs. No hormones, no antibiotics, cage-free, high in omega-3s. They're perfect for any get-together with eggs. And we'll finish this off with a little bit of color on top so that they're perfect. Now you can head over to KUTV.com, grab the recipe, or to cookingwithchefbryan.com, and you can find Oakdell eggs in all your local grocery stores, and even at Costco now, guys.
Love it.
Yeah.
Looks delicious.
That looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Looking
great.
forward to it.
Great little summer snack.
Hey, Wednesday marks 55 years of Star Trek.